This is video number 3 for Liza Jane, and hopefully the final exploration. So there's two things I want to accomplish in this final third video. One is to look at yet another scale option. In the second video we looked at mixolydian, and I'll use that as a jumping off point. Sometimes, oftentimes, jazzers think both in terms of modes or scales in a linear fashion, but they also think of them as the intersection of where chords and scales meet, often referring to them as chord scales. So one other exploration that you may want to use in mixolydian, just to iterate what I had mentioned in the second video, is what if you were to take those thirds and make triads out of them? And it's kind of full circle. It's right back to what I said at the beginning of the first video, which is how do you get to know a chord very, very, very well in all of its inversions. So if we take this very simple triad, base it on the tonic, and run triadically in an ascending fashion and descending throughout the entire range of the instrument using mixolydian, some interesting things happen. That's over the first scale degree. Here's the second scale degree. Here's the third scale degree. Be careful to stay within mixolydian. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And then descending as well. And I mixed up some of the order as well, and some variations on that triad. You can also do the same thing with seventh chords, which definitely brings this full circle to the very first thing I said in video number 1, which is if you play this chord, which is the outline of the dominant 7 chord, and then use that over every scale degree, and really fully explore that over the entire range of your instrument, whatever that may be.